LeanView tutorial part 2. We've got the customer and supplier little boxes here in the LeanView tutorial. If we look over here, every value stream starts with suppliers and ends with customers. That's the whole market capitalist system. There is no other way to do it, and really these are some of the simplest boxes that you have here. It's the supplier and the customer. The supplier, again, just like every other thing here in LeanView, if you double click it, you can change the name. Let's just say supplier is, we'll just say GM. It could be whatever. Customer, you could say Uncle Tom. Whoever it is. It can be anything you want to name it. Again, it's just a name, doesn't really matter. It would be a good idea to name them separate names if you have multiple suppliers. Again, if we right click supplier properties, and here we go, we have the properties again. The file and the help are, they don't have anything useful in them. General notes, we've got, you can change the type either between a customer and supplier right here. You don't necessarily need to drag a separate box. The only thing different, the supplier has this lead time here, and you can set the lead time however much you need to value, to mimic reality. Let's say you're shipping something from China, you'd want a lead time of 2 weeks. If you have a really lean model, or if you're modeling customers being groups within your own department or warehouse or whatever, you can do hours, minutes. Maybe it's 2 minutes it takes for you to get something. If this was a lean shape of somebody getting coffee, you could have a lead time of 2 minutes. Again, China, 2 weeks, days, across parts of the country. This default model just has it as 0. You can change to customer and it will blank out everything. The customer just receives everything. Supplier sends stuff. Again, click save. I'm not going to save it. No, I would not like to save. So here you have Uncle Tom as the customer and GM as the supplier, and all the different steps along the way going between here and here. Just like I showed on the process, if you right click, you can have different flows coming into or out of it, either manual or electronic. Again, it's being persnickety, but when you click again, it will do a new one, not replace. So you do need to watch out for that. If we do a supplier, we have a couple different options. If we right click, we can push finished goods to process. And there's a process all ready to go with a piece connected to it. And again, then you can just push to process. Push to process. It's a very, very efficient way to get things going once you figured out that trick. Again, you could map the sequence. There's your piece. We'll talk more about that in a later tutorial. You can push finished goods, or just the regular standard push arrow. And then you can connect those to different pieces. When you have that little red square there, that means it's connected. It will make a connection within the program that things from here go to here. So that's really all there is to the supplier customer on this LeanView.